everybody, here in the patio gym. So last thing we did was the rubber flooring install, and after that the only thing is just outfitting the space. That took some time because equipment was either back ordered forever, took a while to build, took a while to get here. We're saving up for particular items, so that part kind of took a while, but we did get all our stuff and put it together. So let's have a look. Oh, looks like weights. Ooh, the bench got delivered today. We ordered this rack from Wright Equipment. Unfortunately, FedEx lost one of the uprights, and then the remaining one they apparently dragged around, so it was all scuffed up. Wright sent us a replacement upright and a can of touch-up paint. Since we had it, I figured I might as well paint the bench to match. Since we're mounting the rack to brick, we went with these Tapcon concrete anchors, plus an anchoring epoxy, just to hedge our bets. We wanted to use 10 of those anchors in there, but about half the holes seemed to bottom out, or the epoxy dried too fast, or for whatever reason we could not get the anchors in them. So I think in the end we ended up with 6, which is still hella stout. I am not worried about this going anywhere. The rack came with these arms for the pull-up bar, but we decided to skip it and just put it right between the uprights. We're short people and we don't do kipping, so that should work just fine. And it looks nice. I used some scrap lumber to make a chalkboard for our workout of the day. Also this little shelf with hooks. Then I came up with these guys to hang mats. Nothing is attached to the wall, everything is just cantilevered there so we can rearrange all the units however we want it to be.